Welcome to the section of installing and create the database for the Joomla CMS. In this section we will discuss how to create a database firstly, and adding the user and password to be able to install the Joomla CMS through your site. Here you see the URL of IP address for some hosting package on the server. Also here we are logged to the cPanel to create the database on the first lecture of this section. Here is the username of new 600 P600 with password. Now we are going to log in to the admin area. So here in this admin area of cPanel for the hosting package, we are going firstly to create the database and the user, also the password for that user. To do that, we are going to the MySQL database here. So now create new database. I'm going to create database 1 with this MySQL database. Now create database, click here to create the database. After that we have to grab this text and copy, or keyboard Ctrl+C, copy this name of the database, then go back. We have to create a new text, new notepad text to save this information. Database name, here we go, then minimize. So after we create the database, we have to create the new user, or add the new user to the database, and to do that we have to go to the user, root 100 or 1, whatever, and we have to generate the password generation. We must highlight the password and Ctrl+C, or grab this password, copy, then use the password. So now we create the user with the root 100 and the password. To continue, we have to click here to create the user. But before continuing, we have to come back again to add this information, username and password. We must save all of this information. This is the password. Paste here, then minimize. Come back again. You have successfully created a MySQL username, new 600 P6 heaven root 100. That's okay. Now we are going to grab this name of the user, copy, then go back again to the notepad to add the name of the user, then minimize. So here we have to add the user to the database, and to do that we are going to add user to database. Here we see the user of new 600 P6 root 100, the database name new 600 P6 database 1. Now we are going to add this user. This user will have all of privileges to be able to all modifications through this database. Now we have to choose all privileges, then we should make changes as you see here. That's okay. You have given the requests privileges on the database name to the user of new 600 P6 heaven root 100. Then go back. All succeed still now. So that's all for creating and adding database, adding user for database name. So that we finished with the manipulation of the database. See you in next lecture with the new topic. Goodbye.